Number 16. The diagram shows a cross-section through a leaf. From which cell will most water evaporate during transpiration? So it's asking which cell will most water evaporate during transpiration. So transpiration is the loss of water vapor by evaporation through a hole called or holes called stomata. Okay, this part. So, and it's asking about the cell. So I guess the answer is the cell with where the cell that has most water. The evaporation will happen here and the water vapor will be formed and then go out of the stomata. So D should be answer. D is the spongy mesophyll cell. And some of you guys might think, hey, well, the xylem has a lot of water. Wouldn't it be the one then? No, we can't say that because xylem is it's the vessel, xylem vessel. Of course, xylem vessels are made of xylem cells. However, xylem cells are not the ones that are responsible for, let's say, forming water vapors. They only transport the water. So the water moves from, actually here, B, to the cell through osmosis, and then through osmosis again, the water molecules move, and then they will eventually reach the surface of the spongy cells. They reach the spongy cells, and they are attached on the surfaces of the spongy cells like this, and then they get evaporated and then become water vapors, and then they'll go out by diffusion. Okay, so the answer is D for this one.